Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. So today's video is about how to start a garden at home. Quick and easy garden raised bed. Here I have some concrete blocks, 6 to be exact. And over here I have some compost or organic matter. You can get this at the garden store, or if you know someone who knows someone who knows someone who makes their own compost, just ask them for some. I mean, try your luck. Here I have some kitchen scraps. Yes, that's a bread bag I am repurposing. I store my kitchen scraps in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use them. Now this right here is some native soil, same as your regular soil. So this soil I have left over from my container garden I used to have. So how I came by this soil, I got a little here and I got a little there from family and friends who live in the rural area. Check out my video on why raised garden beds are better for me. So just neatly put the blocks together to either make a square or a rectangle. So now add some of your native soil and spread it. So now add your kitchen scraps, and that's like your banana peel, your ground provision peel, your coffee grounds, your eggshells, your fruits and veggies remains, your tea bags, etc. You can also add dry leaves. Now add some more native soil. So you are basically burying the scraps. Over time they will break down, and of course the soil will become richer. When I had my container garden, I blended the scraps to kickstart the breakdown process. So you can also do that if you wish. So now I am adding the compost or organic matter, after which I'll give it a good soak. You can also put soil in these block holes and plant something inside there. You can continue to bury kitchen scraps as you go along as well. So after making your raised garden bed, you can go ahead now and sow your seeds and keep watering the soil while you wait on your seedlings. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.